you get?
This.
What is it called?
I don't know. Nail polish.
And what is it called? A mani?
Yes, a mani.
Mani what?
Mani polish.
Manicure and
Pack here.
are they pretty?
Yes. Can I touch them?
No, you blow. Are you beautiful? Say, I'm gorgeous.
I'm gorgeous.
You are?
Can I hold your hand?
Hold on. Say, I'm gorgeous.
I'm gorgeous. They are dry.
I don't think they're dry yet.
That's that one.
Don't touch them.
That's one.
Don't touch them.
Yeah.
Don't touch them.
I'm touching.
What about that bracelet you got on? That's cool.
Can I paint